Hello, it's Alicia Connor from Quick and Delish. I'm a registered dietitian and chef here to share my simple tips on how to invest in your future self with meal planning. I really think it's a great strategy to save your future self hassle, frustration, and money, and energy in general. And I think that if you join me in my next meal planning session, September 17th or 18th, 12 to 1 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, you will not be disappointed. Attendees are thrilled with their personal individualized results. Like their experience is extremely impressive. So I've had an attendee get her husband got on board with meal planning, and her family are eating the same food because they're making my recipes. And I'm not saying like it's all about my recipes. I'm empowering people to create their own meal planning system that is sustainable. Another attendee told me just the other day that since attending the meal planning sessions, she has been on board on her health journey the longest ever. That's like that's a powerful response, right? So, like the act of meal planning is literally thinking and planning and sitting down, not sitting down, but like thinking and planning what your future will look like in terms of eating to to make it easy, to take the edge off, to make it not a big deal to eat because we have to eat like numerous times a day. Some people just 3 times a day, some people more like seven. Everybody's different. It's, about blood sugar management and like how much exercise you do and all these other variables, right? There's a lot of variables in life. So, another testimonial is that it's just been easy to focus on his health, and that meal planning took, like, my words, but like took the edge off and made it so that this gentleman like was cooking with his wife. Like they switched off a little bit more often instead of ordering out as much. And it just it there's less pressure about like what's and stress related to what they're going to eat like every day. And so I think these simple, seemingly like these are really big testimonials in terms of like how meal planning with simple recipes that you already know how to make, and like maybe some of my recipes that are just really simple can really help you save time, anguish, and medical expenses in the future. And I know you might be already like exercising like a rock star or whatever you are, like how you are focusing on your health already, but having an individualized meal planning system will help you go that much further. I hope to see you at the next meal planning session. Register. The link to register is nearby. Go find it. And if you're interested in the meal planning session on a different time and day, let me know your availability because I'll look at my schedule and see what happens, see what I can do. But I would love to hear that you're interested, but Fridays and Saturdays from 12 to 1 p.m. just don't work for you. And I also would love to work with you one-on-one to help you create your own system if that would work for your schedule. Cool. Well, cheers to you, and I look forward to seeing you at the meal planning session. Take care. Till next time, you are always your best investment. Toodaloo.